Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and an install of the Motorola, and it's the AC1900. So I'm upgrading my internet speed, so I'm using a new Gigabit router, and so I just need more speed because I'm uploading more videos, I'm doing more kind of stuff for YouTube, so I just need more speed. So I had to get a new router because my old router was capped at 300 megabits. And so we're gonna unbox this. I'll show you what's in the box. This router is supposedly, for what I have Xfinity. It's supposed to be the best one for Xfinity. It has a modem option, a Wi-Fi option, but I'm gonna disable the Wi-Fi option only because the Wi-Fi is not necessary because I have a Google Mesh network running right now. But I'm gonna install it because I needed more ports, I needed more speed, and this has actually 4 ports on the back. Yeah, 4 LAN ports on the back. So this is what you get on the back, 4 LAN ports, and so I think it's gonna make my network better. It also has support for Xfinity Voice, which I'm not gonna use even though I have this service. I just don't use a landline phone. I don't know who in 2019 still uses a landline phone, but we're gonna unbox it. And so I'm gonna put it so you can see it because you don't need to really see me that much. But I'm gonna show you what's in the box. So we're gonna open this up and you'll see what's in the box. So in the box, you got the instructions and optional battery backup, but I don't need that, even though you can get that. In this box, I think is a power cord and a telephone cord. Power cord. They make these things so gigantic, it's just kind of crazy. And a telephone cord, which I don't need because I'm not going to do telephone stuff, but remember, always recycle. And then you have your device in here. And ta-da, an extra LAN cord because I needed that. I just bought one, but I needed that one, which is interesting. I might actually take the one I bought back because I paid $34 for it. And I may not need it anymore. I didn't realize this had one. So anyway, this is my new router, and or this is my new modem and router. And so this should give me a gigabit connection. So 1,000 megabits or a gigabit connection. It's similar to what I had before, and I just get more ports on the back, and it has a Wi-Fi option, but I'm not gonna use the Wi-Fi option, and it will allow me to do more. So I'm gonna do another video on the install, but I just want you to see it. This is supposedly one of the best products on the market for Xfinity. I got this one from Best Buy. This was, I think it was $199. So we're gonna install it later, but I'll do another video on that later about the install. But I don't know. Once I install it, we'll see what it's like. We'll see how it works, and I'll let you know what I think about it. So anyway, it's your boy GB Review. It's a quick video, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Motorola 1900. It's a cable modem and Wi-Fi router, which again, I'm not gonna use the Wi-Fi router, and it has the the Xfinity voice capabilities. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Quick one for you today. I'm out.
Subscribe, but like below.